Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this small video about last week trades. So let's get started. Week before last week was Thanksgiving week, and I didn't trade at all. Maybe one or two small trades, but yeah. So last week, pretty good. All right, so let's get started here. Okay, gotta go back. All right, so this is the trade, pound Aussie. Like I said, the week before last week, Thanksgiving week, and I opened a couple of trades here there. So this was one of them, pound Aussie from 20-minute chart from here, and I opened the trade, and when it was here, I came and I sat on the break even, and then after that, I forgot about it. And the rest of the week, I didn't trade much. In fact, none. So the weekend and then the next week starts, and then I saw it. So 180 pip. So I closed the next week when the market opens up on Sunday, on the 28th last week. So I, immediately closed this because I was like, okay, it might be coming down, and it's from here to here is like 180 pip already. So that's the entry was on November 24. Okay, so that's how it is. So this was one of them. I closed on the Sunday, but it was from the week before. On the 30th, the 29 was nothing, and then 30, I have this only here, EURAUD, 20-minute, beautiful entry here by the book, for 90 pip. And on the 30th, this is a Euro USD for 75, and buy order here, you can see here, right? And then on the 30th, this is pound yen. Pound yen, all yen pairs going down big time, right? And that gave me a lot of yen trades. I'm going to make a separate video on that, and you'll see what I'm talking about. I made a video last week about yen index, of where the yen pairs are going, and they are still going in the same direction. All right, so on the 30th, this pound franc sell 60 pip, and here on the, like I said, on the first, there's nothing at all. When the market turning, it takes time. It takes time for make the turn, and then from bearish to bullish, bullish to bearish. So that happens sometimes. So you have to sit and wait. Every day is not Sunday. We cannot trade every day. So when the market is turning, and then for example this was bearish, and all of a sudden it goes bullish, so you need half a day or a day to do that. So on the first, like I said, that was happening. So on the 2nd December here, beautiful entry on the pound Aussie again, and for 85 pip. On the 3rd, that was the only one on the 2nd. On the 3rd, this is Aussie Yen again. Like I said, the all yen pairs going down big time because of the yen index. I'll show you in the next video. So Aussie Yen 20-minute on the 3rd for 140 pip, and pound franc on the 3rd 65 pip, sell order here and drop, beautiful entry here, and then pound Aussie for 100 pip. It went a lot more than that, but I closed it early, 3rd December, right, on Friday, yesterday. And the last but not the least is Euro-Aussie, big one, 145. Right, so Euro was getting strong, and Aussie was really getting weaker after the NFP. And I don't know, NFP is about USD, but somehow Aussie is, several weeks I noticed that, Aussie is the one who get affected. I don't know why, but I'm not the fundy guy, but this is very strange. So now I keep an eye on it. So this is on the 3rd December. You can see it's beautiful entry here, by the book entry, and it went all the way up. By the way, speaking of NFP, let me show you that US dollar index chart I made long time ago in 29 May this year, right? It's almost like six months ago, 7 months ago, and saying that we are here at B and we're gonna go up there 38% at C of this whole drop. And finally, last week I made this chart here on the 24th. See that? So we were there And then I made the chart that we're going to probably drop. But here comes the NFP on the 3rd December, yesterday. Even then, after that, after the NFP, my area is holding. And this is how we close the week. So it went up the next candle. I think it's the same candle. Went up and, poke into 38%. But then you can see that it is pulling back. So this number is a strong baby here. We got to pay attention to this. I'm not saying that it's not going to go up, but after the NFP, the USD got up a little bit, but then it's coming down. It's not holding the upside. All right, so anything can happen on Monday when the market opens up. Be very careful and watch this number very carefully, 99.84, if you are using this kind of US dollar index from this broker. Different, broker have different US dollar index. But anyway, so this is how my trades were, and then this is what I'm looking at, and also yen. I'll make a separate video for yen index because it's interesting and it's giving me a lot of trades. All right, so I'm going to show it in the next video I'll make. So this is it for now about my trades and USD. So take care and enjoy the rest of the weekend.